So the new DeWALT impact driver just came in the mail the other day. Picked it up and I want to do an unboxing of it. I'm going to show you some high definition footage of this new impact made by DeWALT. This one, I got it off Ohio Power Tools. Ordered it and I actually put next day shipping and it came the next day, which is pretty cool. Ohio Power Tools, not affiliated with them, but you know, they're a good company, so shout out to them. So I don't know, I was kind of excited when I heard about, you know, or saw some pictures on Facebook of the new DeWALT impact, you know, stubby version, you know, 29% shorter. The torque, you know, it's iffy. You know, I've already seen some videos on it and it looks about the same as the 887. My use for this impact is going to be for up high, you know, when I'm on a ladder, have something light on my pouch that's not weighing me down, or you know, when I'm working inside cabinets, things where I need a shorter impact because maybe the bit I'm using is bigger or longer, has to be, you know, for whatever the application is. You know, it is what it is. I install gutters as well, and for when I'm up high, I am going to be using this 1/4-inch adapter with this long, seems to be about a 7-inch shank. And this one has the locking mechanism, which I love. I love that DeWALT made this locking mechanism. This one has it, and so does this one. They're lockable inserts. So anyway, let's talk about this. Let's open this up. This is the box that this one came in. It comes with one 5-amp-hour battery, charger, and a case, which I almost never use. Let's open it together and we're gonna find out and see what comes in it. I'm excited to see it for the first time. I have not opened this. So here we are. Here's the box. Comes in the case. These are, you know, they're okay bags. I like using them more for throwing bits in there and miscellaneous tools, things like that. So anyways, first thing is the manual. Here we have the DeWALT manual, which never ever gets read. It comes with one 5-amp-hour battery, one bar. They never come charged, which is fine, you know. And then we have the little stubby impact. Let's take it out of the plastic. So here it is. Here is the new DCF850. I'll let you enjoy the footage. You can see it. I don't know, I've always liked to see all the components, you know, in HD or close-ups, you know what I mean? That's how you get a feel for it. You see little nooks and crannies and things that they did different from their previous models, which I do have. I was really excited to get this one. It feels really good in the hand. It feels really light. Trigger feels just like a DeWALT trigger. So let's put it with the 5-amp-hour battery that it came with. Let's put a shank in there. It is self-locking, call it. Nice bright LEDs. And then for for kicks. I have an 8 amp hour battery here. We're gonna put on. That looks pretty big. That looks pretty crazy, but it'll work. It'll work. You know, it'll work for you. Anyways, I don't plan to use it with that. I actually plan to have this with the 2 amp hour batteries. Like I said, I want to have a light system for when I'm up in the air, and usually up in the air means I'll have this one on here with it, because I will be installing gutters off a roof, off the side of a roof, off the edge of a roof, and this one will work too. But the 2 amp hour batteries work well for the type of screws that I use for the gutters, so that is my application for it. And you know, I wanted to get it because it's the newest model that came out. You know, it's got the 3 modes there. It came on the 3. And let's put the big battery on there so we know that we're getting full power. And these are 21700 cells on this, so it is definitely giving it some more power. So on speed 1, look at speed 2. Move it over. Speed 2. Speed 2 feels good too. It feels plenty fast. Go speed 3. You can hear it has power. The Atomic Compact Series. So I wonder if Atomic's gonna be Atomic, and then the Atomic Compact Series is gonna be another line of Atomic tools. Almost as if it was a 12 volt with the 20 volt, 60 volt flex volt capacity. Because you can put flex volt batteries in this. But will you use it with the big honking batteries? I mean, I know some of you will, and you can. You can do anything you want. The clip is in here too. You can clip that on there, which I will do. And it comes with the regular cheap disposable charger. Yeah, those are what they are. But I wanted to show you guys the impact. DeWALT 20 volt series, Atomic Compact Series, 20 volt brushless. Can't wait to use it. Put it through testing, and we'll see where we go from there. But I think that's pretty much it. I mean, let me show you some of the inside stuff. This is where you have your Bluetooth, your tracking connectivity, so you can put it on your phone. You know, that's a little bit different there. The grip feels really good. It feels good. It doesn't feel too bulky. I mean, not that the other one never did, but I mean, compact, more compact, and you know, I think this is pretty much as compact as you're gonna get. I don't think they'll make anything shorter than this without sacrificing, you know, other stuff. I mean, I would hate to see something shorter than this. This is perfect for a compact series, or any compact impact. So there it is, guys. So it comes. I'll put it through testing. I'll do some comparison videos with other impacts. So if you want to see that, stay tuned, subscribe, all that good stuff. Talk to you guys later.